Alright, it doesn't get old. I always love unboxing a new PCB. So, we'll do that here. Just came in. So I've been using Seed Studio for at least the last 3 years now. They're really good. Their PCB quality is just exceptional, particularly for the price. I mean, it's nothing compared to some of the higher end US manufacturers, but as far as affordable PCBs, I really like Seed. They obviously didn't pay me to say that. Maker man, interesting. Okay. But anywho, here's our PCB, a little vacuum sealed, and yeah, hot off the presses. Let's break one out of here. Usually you can just pull them right out. The holes for the fans are blocking that. Okay, cool. Alright, there it is. Looks kind of like what I thought it would look like. I really like the blue. I haven't actually done a PCB from them in blue, and I think they did a really good job with it. But yeah, I'm gonna get the flashlight. We'll shine some light through it here. Because this is only a 2-layer PCB, it's not going to look as pretty as some of the other ones, but you can definitely see all of the isolation and then the ground and power planes wherever they need to be. So there's our isolation layer there. Goodness, this PCB looks great. So first thing we'll do is make sure all the mechanical connector holes fit. I'm particularly concerned about the 18S packs because that connector is so odd. But anyway, yeah, we'll make sure the fans fit and you know, all the connectors. So I'm gonna start playing around with that and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, super excited. Looks real clean. Backside is, I didn't do any silk screen on the back. I probably should have, but next version. Yeah, looks great.